Hello, everybody. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today and see what we get. And as you look at the messages, take in what resonates with you and let go of what doesn't. And today's angel number is 5151, personal power. I embrace my personal power. I am confident and strong, capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. My power comes from within, and I use it to create a fulfilling life. And today's Frida's card. It's your birthright to explore your creative path and be happy your entire life. Activating the third eye. I am willing to see beyond my beliefs, ideas, and conclusions. And the last card for today before we go to our quotes. Gentleness, compassion, kindness, and soft. Are you being gentle and compassionate with yourself and others? All right. And today's quotes. Is my body telling me something about my current time? Like, the body will often speak to us in the form of physical sensations, symptoms, and even diseases, as a way of showing us where we are going down the wrong path. Explore if this is happening to you. Christina Lopes. Make exercise or make an excuse to be happy right now and start painting with those thoughts. Your life is art, a work in progress at that, and it's only complete when you're dead. Every day is a new day to see it the way you want. The more you know yourself, the more unique your adventure will be for you. Yes, yes. Create the life you want. Delete the things you don't enjoy and accept what you have. If you want to be happy, have zero expectations of others. Take 100% responsibility for your life and be grateful for what you have. Somewhere, a tree remembers you because it enjoyed your company. Somewhere, a dandelion is alive and feeding a bumblebee because you blew on it. We all make a difference in the world. For most of us, it's a tiny difference, but oh, how adorable that difference is. All right, we're going to put the quotes back in the box. Maybe. All right, guys, I got the papers back into the box. I'm gonna stick it in a clear little baggie here. And I think I will put this rock in. And then I'll go show you where I hide it around town. That's it for this video. I'll catch you all in a couple days. Bye for now.